We'll discuss about some of the standard formulas for calculation of the rotational displacement, that is angular displacement in simply supported beam subjected to different types of loads. First one is simply supported beam with UDL acting throughout the length. Here consider a simply supported beam. It is subjected to a load of W per unit run over the entire length. Here the intensity of the loading is W per unit length or unit run. Here the length of this beam is L. Then first you have to draw the bending moment diagram. That is maximum bending moment occurs at the center WL square by 8. That is at a distance of L by 2 from either end. Now the angular displacement at A and B due to the UDL by moment area theorem, theta A equals, by observing the diagram here, the displacement at B due to the tangent at A, that one is B dash, theta A equals B dash by L, that is moment of the M by EI area between A and B about P, that equals here 2/3 of L into WL square by 8, that is the area, and the centroidal distance is L by 2 into 1 over EI, that is BB dash divided by L. Then theta A equals WL cube divided by 24 EI, that equals theta B because of the symmetry. Similarly, simply supported beam with central concentrated load W, which is acting at the center. Then here again the same thing, this one is the deflected shape, this is the tangent, the tangential deflection at B due to tangent at A. By using that, first we have to calculate BB dash. Before that we have to draw the bending moment diagram. The maximum bending moment occurs below the point load at the center. The ordinate of the maximum bending moment is WL by 4. The centroidal distance is L by 2 from either end. Here the slope at A is given by theta A equals B dash by L. That one is moment of M by EI diagram, area between A and B about B. That one equals here the area of this bending moment diagram and the centroidal distance from B, that one equals half into L. The ordinate is WL by 4 into centroidal distance is L by 2 into 1 over EI, that equals BB dash divided by L. Then theta A equals WL square divided by 16 EI, that equals theta B, since that is symmetrical. Then the simply supported beam subjected to an eccentric point load at a distance of A from support A. Similarly, the distance B, small b from B. Here we have to draw this deflected shape. These are the tangents. One from the tangent at A. The tangential deflection at B due to tangent at A is BB dash. That one equals BB dash, that is given by moment of M by EI diagram, area between A and B about B. That is given by here the bending moment diagram, that is maximum bending moment is W into A into B by L, which occurs below the point load. The centroidal distance from A and A is L plus small a by 3. Similarly from the other end, that is L plus B by 3. Then theta A equals BB dash divided by L. That one equals half into L, half into base width into ordinate, that is WAB by L, that is the bending moment ordinate, into centroidal distance from B, that is L plus B by 3 into 1 over EI, M by EI, that equals BB dash, divided by L, you will get theta A. Theta A equals WAB into L plus B divided by 6 EIL. 6 EIL. Then similarly, theta B equals AA dash by L. AA dash is given by moment of M by EI area between A and B about A, that is half of the span, that is half of L, into ordinate of the maximum bending moment WAB by L into central distance between the from A, that one is L plus A by 3 into 1 over flexural rigidity, you will get AA dash divided by L, that equals theta B. Here this one, theta B equals, here this is the tangential deflection at A due to the tangent at B, that one equals theta B equals AA dash by L, that one equals WAB into L plus A divided by 6 EIL. In case of the simply supported beam with the moment at end, couple moment, if it is subjected to couple moment, then here this one is a beam, simply supported beam subjected to a couple moment M at B. Then if you want to calculate theta A or theta B, here this is the deflected shape, the bending moment is sagging in nature, then the slope at A is given by BB dash divided by L, BB dash divided by AB, that one equals, here again draw the bending moment diagram. This one is the sagging bending moment, ordinate at B is maximum, that is M, then theta A equals BB dash divided by AB, the moment of, by moment area theorem, moment of M by A diagram between A and B about B, that is half into span length, that is half into L, into ordinate is M, into centroidal distance is L by 3 from B into 1 over EI. You will get BB dash divided by L, that is theta A equals ML by 6 EI. ML by 6 EI, that is theta A equals ML by 6 EI. Similarly, theta B, here draw the tangent from B. Here A dash is the tangential deflection at A due to tangent from B, that we can use that to calculate theta A, theta B. Theta B equals A dash by L, that one equals half of the span into ordinate M, half into L into M. The centroidal distance is 2L by 3 from A into 1 over EI, that is A dash divided by L, that is 1 over L. Hence theta B equals ML by EI, ML by 3 EI.